Hi there. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into conditionals, one of the most important grammar structures in English. If you learn how to use conditionals correctly, you'll improve your ability to express possibilities, plans, and hypothetical situations. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident using these powerful sentences in conversations and writing. Conditionals are sentences that describe what could happen, what might have happened, or what we wish would happen. They're built with an if clause and a result clause. Let's explore the four main types of conditionals with examples. First, we have the zero conditional, which describes general truths or facts. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Notice how both clauses use the present tense. This structure is perfect for talking about things that are always true. Next is the first conditional, which talks about real possibilities in the future. For example, if you study hard, you will pass the test. If it's sunny tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. Here, the if clause uses the present tense, while the result clause uses will plus the base verb. This is great for making plans or predictions. Now, let's look at the second conditional, which describes hypothetical or unreal situations in the present or future. For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. If you were here, we could talk face to face. In this structure, the if clause uses the past simple and the result clause uses would plus the base verb. Use this to talk about dreams or unlikely scenarios. Finally, we have the third conditional, which is used for imagining the past. For example, if I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. If they had arrived earlier, they wouldn't have missed the train. In this case, the if clause uses the past perfect and the result clause uses would have plus the past participle. This is perfect for talking about regrets or missed opportunities. Here's how you can practice conditionals. First, start with simple examples. Write sentences for each type of conditional. For example, 0. If you exercise regularly, you stay healthy. First, if you call me, I'll answer. Second, if I knew his number, I would call him. Third, if I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. Second, practice making your own sentences. Think about your daily life or experiences and create examples for each conditional type. Third, listen for conditionals in conversations, movies, or podcasts. Notice how native speakers use them to express ideas and possibilities. Here are some tips to help you master conditionals. Mix them into your everyday speech. For example, say, if it rains, I'll bring an umbrella when making plans. Practice switching between conditional types. For instance, take a first conditional sentence like, if I study, I will pass, and turn it into a second conditional. If I studied, I would pass. Challenge yourself with questions. Ask, what would you do if you won the lottery? Or what will you do if it rains tomorrow? And most importantly, keep practicing. Conditionals may seem tricky at first, but with regular use, they'll become second nature. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and fun English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to learn essential grammar and improve your English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.